Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is my second time going through this Allure box. And I tell you why it's my second time going through this Allure box, because I tried to be fancy. You know, my husband been telling me, go live, you know, go live, everybody going live, it's a business, right? So I said, okay, I got a little Allure box, so let me go ahead and go live with my Allure box. That'd be quick and simple, you know, just go through the box. I finally get the guts to go live and I have a horrible connection. So if you had the pleasure of being in that live with that bad connection, my apologies. I'm sorry. Okay, I guess I don't have the best internet connection today to go live with. So anywho, enough of that. Let's just forget that that even happened, okay? So this is my February Allure box, and I'm going to go through this again. So let's just pretend that I've never seen any of these items. So this is the brochure for this month. Has someone in a nice little fur hoodie or whatever, because it is a little chilly. But this is my brochure for this box. And for this box, I believe it's a monthly subscription for me, and I believe that I pay $14.95 for this or something every month. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have in here. So this first item, let me look at my handy dandy brochure, because I wasn't able to really get an idea of what all this stuff is. So the first item is a kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid, and this is from Youth to the People Age Prevention Moisture Cream, and it has a retail value of $48. So let's go ahead and open this up. It comes in this cute little box, very cute. So let's see here, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice little sample size jar. Looks like it doesn't have a scent to it. It looks like a nice cream. This is what it looks like on the inside, if you can see that. And so it's just a, oh, that's very nice. It's a nice moisturizing cream. It looks like for, let's see here. So this is basically just a moisturizing cream. I'm assuming you can use it all over your face. It doesn't specifically say that it's just for under the eyes. Yeah, so I'm assuming you can use this all over your face. It's just a nice cream moisturizer. It doesn't have a smell to it, and it does feel very nice. So that is that. Okay, so the next item here is this Skinfix Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm, and this is what it looks like. And it says here that this retails for $4.99. So this is a minty lip balm, and it says that it's made from 40% coconut oil. Lip repair balm. It's soft for soft, smooth lips. It smells just like double mint gum. So if you don't like mint, then or spearmint, then you won't like this. But it smells nice to me. I like it. Okay, so next we have here something from Juice Beauty. It says Phyto-Pigments Liquid Lip in Gwyneth. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has Gwyneth Paltrow on here, and this is what the inside looks like. So let's check out this color Gwyneth and see what it looks like. And this is what the sample size is. So it's a nice little sample size. It's actually a very pretty color. Very pretty. It's a nice rich color. It actually kind of makes me think of fall, so that is that. And it says on here that this retails for $24, and it's from Juice Beauty. Okay, so the next item that I have in here is actually a favorite of mine, and this is from Tarte. It's the Tarte Tartiest Lash Paint Mascara. This is what the box looks like. And I actually already have one of these. This sample is quite smaller than the one that I received before. I received one in one of my beauty boxes before, and it's a full size. So I already know I love this stuff. It is the bomb. If you haven't tried it, you should try it out. But it says it retails for $23. So I'm glad I don't have to buy another one for a little while. So that is that. And I have one more item. The last item is this Klee Essence Moonlighter cushion. And it looks like this. So this is a highlighter that's actually in a cushion type form, a liquid form. And it says that this retails for $30. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I did kind of test it out in my live that went bust. But I should be able to see the quality better. So it looks like this. This is the actual container, and this is the little cushion that you pick up the highlighter with. So let me go ahead and just test a little bit of this out so you can see what it looks like. I'll just do it here. So that is what that liquid highlighter looks like. It's actually very pretty. That's different. It's very different to have this little sponge applicator to use for the highlighter. So I'm really excited to try this out. And like I said, this retails for $30. So that is my whole Allure box for February. Everything that I got. So I got a highlighter. I got a nice liquid lipstick. I got this nice moisturizing cream. I also got another Tarte mascara as well as a Minty lip balm. So I'm very, very happy about this box this month. I love all the products in here and I can't wait to use them. So thanks for watching and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!